We will get the diploma at the end of this year. And after I get a diploma, I want to find a job in Paris. My name is Yingzi, and I come from China. Well, actually, I stay in France for a long time. I came in France in 2011 to learn French, and later I finished my bachelor in Clermont-Ferrand. And then I finished my first MBA in Paris. And in 2018, I worked for almost 1 year in Germany. And after that, I came back to China to develop my professional career. And last year, I registered EMLV MSc program in Supply Chain Management. I choose Supply Chain Management because I want to develop my career in supply chain domain. And also, I choose this school because the location is good. Because around the school, there are so many big companies, so I think it's easy to network with the company staff. So it maybe help me to easily find an internship, even a job. And also, well, EMLV have a good reputation, so I think it's good. Last year, well, we have so many in class. It's related to the supply chain. It's including the purchasing and sourcing, supply chain management, warehouse management, and also like the data analysis. It's a technical class, and we also have this type of class. And also we have the practice class, like the career coaching. During this class, the teacher give us advice, like how to improve the quality of the CV and how to connect with the person which we want to develop relationship with. And also the teacher help us like how to connect with the person on LinkedIn to help us to get reference chance. Well, and others, I think other things is good. I think the administration teachers, they are very friendly and they are responsibility. Well, my master thesis is related to the sustainable development in supply chain domain. Well, because you know that nowadays the sustainable development is a very big topic and it's very popular. And for all the company, they are also talk about this the sustainable topics. And I want to deep this topic to know how company can develop sustainable in supply chain domain, and how to keep the balance with the environment, with the nature, and at the same time the company should keep their financial raising, should keep the financial growing. So I think it's interesting topics for me. We will get the diploma at the end of this year, and after I get a diploma, I want to find a job in Paris in the supply chain domain. And if it's possible, I hope I can get a job in the big company, like in the Sanofi or like in the Total Energy, which just behind our school. Well, I hope so. Yes, because during the school time, we learn so much knowledge related to the supply chain, like the house, like the warehouse, how to run the product in the warehouse, like how to save space, how to arrange where the house location, because you know the car will go in and go out, so we should make sure it's good to transportation. And also we learn things like the purchasing, sourcing, because for me, I want to develop my career in purchasing procurement domain. So this class give me so much knowledge related to the purchasing, sourcing, like how to identify a good supplier and how to make the supplier's KPI and how to negotiate with the supplier to get a good price. Well, I think it could help me, this academic knowledge could help me to in my future career, I think. Paris is a beautiful city. Well, I think the people all around the world, everyone wants to go Paris. Well, luckily, I have the chance to study in Paris, to study in EMLV. After we finish all the class, like during the weekend, I will go out with my friends. So we visit the museum, we visit the monument, and also we went to the park to see the cherry blossoms, and it was very beautiful. Well, I think it could be a very unforgotten memory for everyone if you will study in Paris one day. It's better to learn some basic French before you go to Paris, because I think if you can speak some basic French, it could help you to live well in Paris, because maybe in some situation the French, if you can speak French, it could be very helpful for you.